Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So I'm just about to take you on a walk around tour of one of the most popular caravans in the Coachman range, that being the VIP 575 2021 model. So here is a good look at the 2021 model. So a new badge for Coachman going into 2021, a bit of a rebrand with that badge, and it really looks fantastic on this beautifully well-built caravan. So you're benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. You've got the side access locker box there with space for two gas bottles in, with the other side being space for the step, steady winder, electric hookup cable, and various other amenities. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point and exterior 240 volt socket with a side access hatch to underneath those front couches. You've got then as well for 2021 this beautiful new decal, really modernising the decal on the Coachman range going into 2021. With this particular model being a transverse island bed and rear bathroom, you've got the side access hatch here to underneath that transverse island bed. So stepping inside the caravan, the first thing you notice in a Coachman caravan is the wonderful high quality finish throughout. So plenty of storage inside the kitchen area with the new positive catches on those drawers. You've got a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath, with 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric. Beautiful finish on the cooker lid and high quality of finish there with the tap. And then you have this wonderful two-tone locker effect going throughout the caravan. You have a medium-sized Hecky light located in the lounge, also with a large panoramic sunroof. And then this is a first look at the high quality of fabric scheme that Coachman have chosen for the 2021 range. And it really offsets and works so well with this wooden finish, overall making this caravan really shine as a bespoke and unique caravan. You've got a short pull-out table at the front there with a PIR sensor for the alarm and also a wireless charging point. The mood lighting dotted throughout this particular caravan is really offset fantastically and dotted throughout, shining fantastically well of an evening. You're benefiting from the Aldi wet central heating system located by the Coachman command panel above the habitation door. You have a new Dometic 10 series under-counter fridge, which has got a fantastic feature for the fact that the fridge opens on both sides, so giving far better usability with that freezer compartment also located at the top. And as we step forwards into the bedroom area, we've got a wonderfully spacious wardrobe to the right-hand side. Also located to the right-hand side is some further storage. And you have this very spacious and large bed. So I'll just get this pulled out into position so we can get a real good feel for it. And there we go. So, I showed you a moment ago the bed in the day position. This is now the bed down in the night position. So still plenty of space moving down, and one of the slight changes they've made is the Aldi vents are further down the bottom rather than being at knee height. So you've got television point here in the bedroom area with the vanity mirror. As we step forward, and as I can show you, I'm quite a large chap myself, so more than easy moving around the end of this bed with that two-tone locker effect also then going throughout and above the bedroom area. Further storage in a wardrobe to the left-hand side, and stepping through to a very spacious individual shower cubicle in a high quality of finish throughout the bathroom area with the illuminated washroom mirror, high quality finish on the sink, the Aldi heated towel rail, and further storage located above that Thetford toilet. So they've really made this VIP 575 stand above that of the 2020 model, being the most popular model that Coachman do for the transverse island bed and rear bathroom. If you have any queries or questions about this walk round video, you want to know a little bit more information, please feel free to contact us at Grantham. We'll be more than happy to help you. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour. We look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.